Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the subtitles font size on YouTube. That's pretty cool, pretty simple. So if this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First of all, open the YouTube app and then play a video. So I'm going to turn on the subtitle first and now playing this video. So here you can see that the font size is default or medium. So now I'm going to change it. To do that, normally swipe down and choose this U option. And now click on this settings icon and scroll down a bit. And after then choose captions. Check this box on. And then you can choose the text size to very small, large, or very large. I'm choosing here very small. Now, if I play this video again, let's see what happens. Here you can see that the text size is very teeny and very small right now. So that's all about today's video, how you can change the font size of your caption or subtitle on YouTube. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.